In this video, I will show you how to forward a domain using Cloudflare step by step. If you want to redirect visitors from one domain to another, Cloudflare makes it simple with built-in tools that do not require any coding. First, log into your Cloudflare dashboard and select the domain you want to forward. Once inside, go to the Rules section and click on Redirect Rules or Page Rules, depending on your dashboard version. Click Create Rule to start setting up your domain forwarding. Next, enter the URL pattern for your domain, such as yourdomain.com, with a wildcard to include all pages. Then set the destination URL where you want visitors to go. Choose a 301 redirect if you want a permanent redirect, or 302 if it is temporary. Save and deploy the rule so it becomes active. Finally, test your domain by entering it into your browser and confirming that it redirects to the new destination. If it does not work immediately, give it a few minutes or clear your browser cache. That is it. You now know how to forward a domain using Cloudflare quickly and easily.